Thank you for watching me make this flail from readily available parts. I'll put a link in the description to the parts that I use on this so you can go ahead and make it yourself. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, give it a share, it really helps me out loads, and let me know in the comments what you thought of the editing and the filming, because I've had someone in helping me do that, and hopefully they'll be helping me more in the future. And while you're here, check out the description where you'll find links to my sponsors and my social media pages. Head on over to those and follow me so you can see what goes on behind the scenes. And I also have a Patreon for people who want to help support me and keep me making more videos. And I'll see you on the next one, which will be in 2 weeks. Maybe it might be in 1, I don't know. But thanks everyone. Goodbye. Make this mace from plumbing parts. It's not mace. This flail from parts of things. Give the fuck. Thank you for thumbs up, like fuck. Share it with your fuck. Thumbs up and get what? More fun vid. No, fuck off. Links in the sponsors. Fuck. And I really appreciate it. Fuck.